Last year she got COVID and you lost the ability to smell and taste?
Yes.
So how good is your smell and taste now?
Before yesterday, it was maybe like 40%. Today, it's maybe 75, 80.
Okay. And so that's just through our first exam. All right, live from the Nerve Health Institute, we've got Catherine here today as a patient. This is her second visit, and you did get COVID when?
Before Thanksgiving.
Okay, so that's not that long. Right now we're in January, so before Thanksgiving last year she got COVID and you lost the ability to smell and taste?
Yes.
Okay, so how good is your smell and taste now?
I mean, before yesterday, it was maybe like 40%.
Okay.
Today, it's maybe 75,
Okay.
80.
And so that's just through our first exam. Keep in mind, nerves give you the ability to smell and taste. Specifically, it's called the olfactory nerve. There's a pair of them. They're back here in your brainstem. They wrap around and give power to your nose and make you smell. So COVID comes along and actually turns off the power to some of these nerves that make you smell. And we're here at the Nerve Health Institute. That's what we do. We work on nerves, find where they're weak, get power back. And literally just in one visit, she's got a pretty good improvement. And we're seeing this pretty routinely in the community. And I'm going to tell you, so the taste nerve is another, it's actually 3 different nerves that provide power to the tongue to give you the ability to taste. So it's cranial nerve 7, which is the facial nerve, cranial nerve 9 is glossopharyngeal nerve, and cranial nerve 10 is the vagus nerve. And so they give you the ability to taste not only on your tongue, but also in the back of your throat. And so we've got this ability to smell and taste. In Cajuns, it's really fun when you can smell and taste, but when you can't smell and taste in Cajun land, it's not too fun. So from our perspective, it's really simple. We find where the nerve is weak and restore power. And so something I've been teaching people in the community, this burnt orange theory, you know, these crazy tastes that you put in your mouth. If somehow you do these crazy things and the nerves come back, it's luck, but it's not a scientific method that actually gets into the nervous system, finds specifically where it's weak, and actually restores power to it. So this is just after her first visit, and we're in our second visit now. So we'll hopefully be able to show you a lot more. We got a ton of patients that have done this, and we'll kind of get more testimonials for you where we get the ability to smell or taste really fast, and some it takes us a few visits. But so, how's your experience so far?
It's been great. Very interesting.
What didn't you know that you know now about nerves? What do you think?
Oh gosh, I mean that some of them can be weak or not activated, and then just simple treatment can reactivate them.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned here for more results.